Pretty much.
Pretty much. Another way of saying almost, just about, or more or less. It's been 3 years since we made a phone that was pretty much everything you could ask for. And by everything, we mean taking everything you love about OnePlus fast and smooth experience and shaping it into something more accessible to everyone. A lot has changed since then, like turning OnePlus Nord into pretty much all the Nords, and the fun and silliness that came with it.
I got family.
You, our community, hung with us every step of the way, chatting with us at events and trolling us in the comments.
I love you! Emotional, damn it!
You kept us agile, mobile, and locked in on delivering remarkable experiences. Better ways to capture your wild side. Boss-level speed and power. And the juice to make sure the fun never stops flowing. Helping our product reading fast and smooth like they've always done.
It's time.
Now we're back with a new OnePlus Nord phone. The Nordest of all Nords. The fastest of the fast. The Sultan of the smooth. The President of power. It's pretty much amazing, and we hope it's everything you could ask for.